Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live, Pauline, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
Hush the line,
So don't you fret,
dear Eponine.
Marius.
I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. No, I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you
And I will stay with you
keep me safe.
till you are asleep.
And you will keep me close. And rain
And rain
will make the flowers.
will make the flowers grow.
It's okay. It's okay. It's my good girl.